Welcome to another video on Better Pics for Google Maps. I'm your host, Morten Copenhagen. In this video, I will introduce you to the cropping tool in Google Photos. We are already in Google Photos, and this is the image that I'll be using in this demo. You may already have spotted that the horizon is not level, so let's start by fixing that. I will start by bringing up the menu up here. You can see right here, this edit icon, we need to click that one first. And in here, now we need to go to the cropping and rotating tool. It's right up here in the right-hand corner. I'll click it now. So to fix the rotation, we need to use this slider out here on the right-hand side. We just click here and start moving. See, this is the wrong way. Instead, we will pull down, and I'll try to align the top line of the store with the grid lines. But if you notice now, the bottom of the store is actually not level now. This is probably due to the fact that I took the picture slightly from the left. So instead, I'll be focusing on the text in the middle, the name sign, to make sure that that will be perfectly level. How about here? So now we've fixed the rotation. Next, we will be looking at cropping this image. You noticed the 4 little white dots on the corners. They can be pulled in freely as you please. See, I can move it up here. I can move this one down here. Now we will actually only get the sign by itself. Oh, it looks nicely level. But this is not what we'll be showing now. Instead, we will be cropping the storefront now. From the bottom, we can pull the bottom line up as much as we like. And from the top, we can pull that one further down. See, we can go all the way down here, but that would be too tight. So let's be up here somewhere and maybe a little more like this. Hey, but notice, when you have the grid lines, you can see that the name in the center, the name of the store is not centered relative to the grid lines. We will fix that by pulling in from this side, from the left side, and look at the grid lines and compare them to the name. So I think right here it will be nicely centered. That's actually how we do the cropping. We can click Done up here in the corner. And up here we click Done once again to save the edits that we just did. And it needs to save it. So this is the cropped image. This is the result. You may want to look at the other video. It's called the 6 cropping steps, which might be relevant for you now. This concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Local guides can find the tutorial Better Pics for Google Maps by following the link in the description. See you in the next video.